Hello, fourth graders! Last week we heard and read articles about the pros and cons of playing video games and wearing school uniforms, and thought about how articles can be organized to inform readers. This week we are going to talk about another type of expository nonfiction called functional texts. Functional texts help people learn how to do things, get from one place to another, and complete everyday tasks such as buying groceries and paying bills. Some examples of functional texts include lists, recipes, menus, instructions, directions, and schedules. In today's lesson, we are going to look closely at two different examples of functional texts and discuss how they are organized. For this activity, you will need a piece of paper and a pencil. Our first example is called How to Make Oobleck. These are instructions for making a substance called oobleck. A set of instructions for making something is one type of functional text. Follow along as I read the instructions aloud. How to make oobleck. Materials needed: newspapers to cover work area, paper towels for cleanup, 1 box cornstarch, 1½ cups water, more if your oobleck is too firm. Green food coloring or another color, mixing bowl. 1. Measure water and pour into bowl. 2. Add 15 drops of food coloring to water. 3. Add cornstarch. 4. Mix by hand. Note: if the oobleck does not flow out of the bowl when it's tilted, add more water. It won't take long before you realize you've made oobleck. It's a sticky goo that flows like a syrup, but holds together like a solid. The author has organized these directions in a way to make it easy for the reader to understand. For example, I noticed that they included a materials list and numbered the steps to make it easier for readers to use. Now we will look at another kind of functional text, a menu from a sandwich shop. Follow along as I read Simon's Sandwich Shop. Simon's Sandwich Shop. Favorites: 6-inch and 12-inch. Tuna, roast beef, ham, meatball, turkey breast. Specialty sandwiches: 6-inch or 12-inch. Organic free-range chicken with cranberry sauce. Grilled veggies with cheese or hummus. Barbecue tofu burger. Extras: 6-inch or 12-inch. Cheese, lettuce, tomato. All sandwiches come with your choice of bread and dressing. Breads: whole wheat, white, honey bran, Italian herb. Dressings: mayonnaise, mustard, oil, and vinegar. Drinks: lemonade, juice, milk, small, medium, large. Sides: green salad, pickle. Now, take out your paper and pencil. I'd like you to stop and jot some answers to the following questions. What are the bread choices at Simon's Sandwich Shop? How much does a small drink cost? If you ordered a 6-inch ham sandwich and a 12-inch barbecue tofu burger, what would be the total cost? If you had $20 to spend on lunch for you and a friend, what could you purchase? You can spend less than $20, but not more. The sandwich shop menu and instructions for making oobleck are organized differently because they have different purposes. Both are organized in a way that helps the reader get and make sense of information quickly and easily. Reading functional texts carefully and noticing how they are organized helps readers understand and use them more easily. This week, I've posted one more functional text for you to look at on your own: the City of Lawrence street map. Think about how this functional text is organized in a way that makes it easy for readers to use. Practice using the coordinates and index to locate some locations on the map. Additionally, I would like you to go on a functional text hunt. What functional text can you find around your house, in the newspaper, on the internet, or other places? Identify 2 or 3 functional texts and then respond to the journal entry page.